It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Acne in dogs, why do they appear? Acne is a common plague in the lives of many teenagers, but did you know that dogs can suffer from it too? Although the causes are different, the appearance can be very similar. So, what is canine acne and how is it treated? 1. What is canine acne? The technical name for canine acne is folliculitis or furunculosis of the muzzle. Just like in people, it is an inflammatory condition of the skin and hair follicles that appears on and around the muzzle. The actual cause is still unclear. It can be due to many factors, from genetics to underlying skin conditions. Breeds that seem to be more predisposed to canine acne include short-haired breeds. Any underlying skin problems, such as allergies or parasites, can lead to itching, which means the skin becomes damaged. This or any other trauma will cause the hairs to break off, leaving a small stump within the hair follicle, which will then become inflamed and prone to breaking off within the skin. This creates the raised red lesions typical of the condition. Secondary infection is common due to the breakdown of the skin barrier, which can lead to bacteria entering and creating pustules. Canine acne is most often seen in young dogs, under 12 months of age, possibly because they are more curious and tend to stick their nose into anything. But this age is also known as the teens, so hormones could also have something to do with it. 2. How is canine acne diagnosed? Canine acne is usually diagnosed by its characteristic appearance. Sometimes, if there is an infection, the vet may take swab samples to identify the problematic bacteria. If there is suspicion of an underlying condition, they may try taking skin samples to look for parasites or perform allergy tests. In some cases, a skin biopsy may be necessary, but this can usually be diagnosed from the veterinarian's clinical examination. Only if there are abnormalities or if it does not respond as expected will further tests be needed. 3. How is canine acne treated? In most cases, symptoms are mild and can be successfully treated with topical shampoos or creams. If lesions are more severe or infected, systemic medications such as oral antibiotics are indicated. If possible, a swab sample will be sent for culture and antibiogram in order to select the most appropriate antibiotic, but in many cases, the causative organism is a staphylococcus, so an antibiotic that is effective against it should be the first choice. Rarely, the condition can cause marked swelling of the lips and muzzle, in which case the veterinarian may prescribe corticosteroids to help relieve symptoms. Ultimately, it can take several weeks for the acne to clear up completely and there is a small risk of scarring, although this rarely causes a problem or is even visible. 4. How do you prevent canine acne? Preventing canine acne may not be possible in all cases, but controlling any underlying factors can greatly reduce the risk of it developing. You should make sure your dog is up to date with deworming treatments. This will help eliminate mites as a possible cause. Similarly, identifying and controlling potential allergies and avoiding them will also keep the skin healthy and more resistant to damage. Anything we can do to reduce scratching and trauma will reduce the chances. Good hygiene. For breeds like boxers, who have more pronounced facial folds, wiping their muzzle after eating and cleaning them daily can help keep the skin healthy and reduce surface bacteria that could colonize any small wounds. It will also help prevent the Skinfold Dermatitis that so many of these dogs suffer from. Canine acne is common but thankfully rarely serious. Just like in humans, if the spots are traumatized or squeezed they can leave scars. But this is unlikely to affect the dog in the future. However, it can be annoying and itchy for your pet, so getting prompt treatment from your vet will help alleviate the symptoms. However, they tend to disappear by the time they reach 12 months of age. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.